You want a new cup? You want a new cup?
Right now.
Right now?
Now.
Dialing in what he wants. Too smart.
Look at her. She's got herself on the box.
I want this one cup.
Oh, there she goes. Get this out of my way.
Oh, I can see a cheek getting bruised.
Yeah, I think she wants in there.
What's in this sink? You threw the sink on the floor, babe. Now it's just a big hole.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You need help with the headphones again, babe? You get it? You good?
Right there.
You got it. Okay.
You're good at that.
Like that.
They are just like Daddy's. Grandma's got some, too.
You don't.
I don't. I have some at home. They're not quite as fancy as yours, but I have some.
Theirs weren't all that bad. I think they were only like $15 at TJ Maxx.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Huh?
Uh-oh. You put the sink on the floor. Now it's a big hole.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you're going to dance? What are you still listening to Avett Brothers?
Can you please go
Oh, do
home?
they keep falling down? Let's see. Is that better? Careful of Kaylin. Oh, pans go back up on the sink now. Okay, so does that... Uh-oh, the Big Bear goes on the sink too. Back down. Down they go.
I want to open the night present.
Do you have another one?
There's 3 more.
I
Oh,
want to open the night present, Mama.
Only if you get Daddy first.
Daddy wants to see too.
I don't know why he keeps disappearing.
He's cleaning.
Come on. It's okay. Look. Let me see something.
Here, your rope still has the tags on it, babe.
There. Comfortable?
She's done cooking.
Done cooking? You're good at that. Whoa. Well, you'd be walking straight to Grandma if it wasn't for all this stuff in your way.
Come here, baby. Come get me.
Come get her.
Come get Grandma.
She will not stand up.
Look,
Okay.
I have an orange. I have an orange. Do you want to come get it? No, I'm going to sit on the box.